Joseph White.
Hello, family. Y'all hear me?
Yeah. Turn around.
My government name is Joseph, but I go by Yusuf. I was once in the Nation of Islam, but I still practice, study it. I'm also a street political science politician / Bible scholar. I have many things. I'm pretty wise for my age. Sit down, talk to me. I can talk to you on any level, from the streets all the way to the White House. I'm not that old. I woke up January the 1st this year. I was speaking with Bomani last year, and I always wanted to come to Africa as a young boy. So when I woke up, like on the 2nd of January, I gave Bomani a call. I said, man, I'm joining you this time. I'm coming. So on my way, getting money together to get here, probably about a month prior to coming, my son, Dad, where you going? So I'm going to Africa. You're not leaving me. So that means I had to hustle up double time, you know, to make sure his trip was comfortable. We had to do a lot of work in the process. And on my way, like I said, coming to Africa, Natasha said, where you going? I said, I'm going to Africa. And then she said, I'm going too. So, you know, so that's how we all end up here. But this has been a mission of mine for a very long time. I am what you would call anti-America. Has been for a very long time. And my mission is to free our people. I do it constantly. If any of you Facebook me, you'll understand me. I'm on them constantly with their own laws. I post their laws. I post their literature that they have on books, with the treaties that they have with some of us that came from the African continent. I can open your eyes up to some of those things, some of the amendments that they have with the civil rights, NAACP, whatever. You know, we are, as a people in America, we are not a free people. I want you guys to understand that. And I want you guys to understand also that Obama is not a president for the people. He's a president for America. We must understand there's two different places. America and the United States is not the same place. They're one of a difference. So this is the reason why we don't have him saying anything about the police brutality, because he cannot say anything. So when we understand that Americans do not want us, we must join hands with our African brothers and sisters and make a pilgrimage up out of there, because America is falling. And I know every one of us here believes that, because that's the reason why we are here. Because we feel something in our spirit. Something is happening, something is going to happen, and we need to make a different connection. And God is working with every last one of us, and I believe that. So that's all I have to say.
Yeah, we have to know who we're riding with, folks. We're here now, and we don't always have a prediction for the future, but there's so much wisdom in our midst as we're unfolding in very particular areas. And as a Bible scholar, you say something about that Bible scholarship.
What I tell you right now in the Bible, we're at end times. America will only receive 44 kings, and Obama is the 44th president. And I'm telling you guys right now, there would not be no 45th. If Hillary Clinton get in, we're going to war with Russia, and this is what they call the end of Babylon, because every nation would join up against her. And this is where we're at right now in our country. So if we don't wake up and see what's going on, prepare yourself and prepare your family that you might be leaving behind. You might want to start getting survival kits, because America will not be the same. Trust me and believe me. And also, if anyone have their Bibles here today, or during the duration that I'm here, I will show you who Christ is.
Okay, I got my Bible. I'm trying to get you to complete.
Trump? Well, I'm going to tell you, okay, this is two differences between the two beasts. Trump, they say if Trump win, we're going to have what they call frisk, search and frisk. And I've been in America all my life, and I've been search and frisk all my life. So Trump don't scare me with the search and frisk. The thing about Trump is that he's actually want to see America survive. He's not working with the Zionists, if any of us know what the Zionists is. So he wants to make sure that the hands of America goes back into the citizens, not to the Jews, because they take your country and they're going to destroy it. Netanyahu, about maybe a month ago, in the United Nations spoke of that every nation will bow to Israel soon. So that means she want to be number one, superior. And the only way you can be number one, superior, you got to knock the other kingdoms down. How you do that? By tricking them into war. So Hillary is following that suit. And if Hillary get in, that's all she's been pressing. War with Russia, war with Russia. China, Russia, the Philippines, and other nations have been joining hands together to fight against America if she decided to strike. So they have the no-fly zone right now in Syria. And if they violate that no-fly zone, America is in World War III. Please believe me. And in World War III, we talking nuclear. America has no defense. Her money was all on offense. And the Pentagon does not have that kind of defensive money anymore because they gave it all to Israel. You know, if we have nuclear bomb right now in America, you know we have no defense against it. Any of you guys know that? No. You know who has the defense? Yeah. Israel. Yeah. Israel has the defense that we paid for with our dollars. Because Israel is setting us up to fall. It's written. And when you get a chance, Google a guy named Albert Pike. They predicted this and they did this. They follow a script. Let me tell you something about the Bible real quick. Bible is not a holy book. So don't get afraid when I say this. It's a manuscript for the white man. And they follow that. And when you understand their manuscript, you understand where they're at and what they're doing. Because it's a book that they have passed out amongst themselves during our slave time, when we was forbidden to read. But they can't have meetings in every town and every city for men to understand what's going on in their plans. So they put it in the Bible. And that is what it's called. A Bible. It's a script. And every script, if you get a movie script or whatever, you have actors and actresses, right? So who's playing the role of the slave? Huh? Who playing the role of the master? Don't allow them to say this stuff happened way back. It's happening now. So when you read your Bible, read it as of now. Don't read it as past tense, because that's where you're going to get lost at. And like I said, thank you guys very much for your time.
And I think, okay.
Oh, you did. Give me a shout out.
Okay, you do that.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Latasha, and it's my significant other, Joseph. As you guys can see, he will really be in your ear. When I met him about 2.5 years ago, I can honestly say that I was asleep. I really didn't know a lot about being African, and he really grabbed me by the brain and taught me a lot, and taught me a lot about the world, and taught me a lot about how everybody, all beings originated from here in Africa. So when he said he was coming here, I knew that it was pertinent that I came on the trip. I didn't want to come for the first year, not for the first year, but up until July is when I really realized, like, you know what, you're not leaving me behind. And at that time is when we started our preparation for coming. I'm glad I came. I speak with Bomani. I'm on the conference calls all the time, and I give this trip a 10. You know, I'm enjoying every moment of it. He got me moving like I'm 13, but but I appreciate it. Yeah, so I'm enjoying myself. You guys have a